Hi children. Okay, I believe all are safe and fine and healthy. Okay, today you're going to learn about Unit 1 in English. That lesson is about the mosquitoes. What is a mosquito? Mosquito means kosu, isn't it? So we all are scared of mosquitoes. It's only tiny insect, but we are all very much afraid and scared of these mosquitoes. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the mosquitoes, what all the works of the mosquitoes, how it spreads the diseases, etc. Okay. First, let me tell you, there are about 35,000 species in mosquitoes. How many are there? 35,000 varieties of mosquitoes are there. See here. So there are lots and lots of mosquitoes around the world. So there are, see the board here, 4 stages of mosquitoes. First, the mosquito lays its egg. Okay, it lays eggs. The second one is the egg turns into a larva, then into pupa, and it emerges into an adult, emerges light by light, and then at final stage it becomes an adult. First it's an egg stage, egg, larva, pupa, and it emerges into adult, and finally it turns into an adult position. This is the life cycle of the mosquitoes. So first you want to know which mosquitoes will bite. You know one thing, only the female mosquitoes bite. Only the female mosquitoes will bite us, and the males won't bite. Okay, males won't bite. Why the males won't bite means the male mosquitoes will feed on the nectars of the plant. It feeds only on the plant. Male mosquitoes will feed only on the plant, whereas female mosquitoes will need blood. It needs blood to lay eggs. So the female mosquitoes will lay eggs. So it needs automatically blood. So what it do? It come and bite us. So it will have a thin layer of structure, like it will penetrate into our skin, means it penetrates its saliva into the skin, so it become itchy. When the kosu kadicha we feel itchy. Why means it puts inside that saliva. Okay. So only the female mosquitoes will bite. Okay. So it will be very itchy at that time. So what we should do? How can we prevent? Now let me tell you first. These mosquitoes are busy only at night. Why? Why? Because it needs blood. It takes blood when you are sleepy. And one more thing I want to tell, it will prefer only children. First. Then it more than adults. But still it prefers only children, and it will be very busy the night times. You know one thing? When it beats its wings, it will beat 500 times a second. So fastly it will beat its wings. So this is the mosquito. Then what are the types of mosquitoes? We'll see there are many types of mosquitoes. See here. They even see there are many. I told you there are 35,000 species of mosquitoes. Out of that, see, these are the Aedes, Anopheles, Sauropora columbi, then Culex, then Aedes, then again that's called as Cillata. These are the different types of mosquitoes. Now in your book they are given only about 2 types of mosquitoes. One is Anopheles mosquito, which causes malaria. You know, malaria is a kind of fever, isn't it? It's a kind of disease. So this is spread by the female Anopheles mosquitoes. Next one they are given Aedes. Aedes mosquito spreads. What kind of diseases can you judge? Can you imagine? See, nowadays dengue and chikungunya. So these 2 types of fevers or diseases are spread by Aedes mosquitoes. Okay. Now the development from egg to mosquito. See here. See here, from egg to, first it lays its eggs, and then it again the stages, different larva, pupa, then it turns into adult. So how many days it takes? It needs at least 6 to 8 days to become a complete mosquito. Okay. So it needs 7 to 8 days. Now, one thing I want to tell you about this malaria mosquitoes, that is Anopheles mosquitoes, or they rest indoors and outdoors, and they are active during the daytime. Okay, night times. The Anopheles mosquito are active during the night times, and what they breed on stagnant waters like ponds, ditches, wherever when the rain comes, all the puddles will be filled with water. So all in that the mosquitoes will breed. So these mosquitoes, these Anopheles mosquitoes will breed in stagnant water. What is stagnant water? Tanni தேங்கி ஒரு இடத்துல நிற்கும் இல்லையா, that is called as stagnant water. Okay, so this Anopheles mosquito which spread malaria will breed on this stagnant water in ponds, ditches, etc. Whereas these Aedes mosquito, this Aedes mosquito causes dengue, chikungunya, yellow fever, etc., etc. This needs clean water. It will not go into the dirty water. It breeds its eggs only in the clean water. Okay, now what are the, let me see, how can we prevent this mosquito bites? Enna pannala? So when you go outside, children, when you go outside to play, you prefer full sleeves. You wear full hand sleeves to prevent from mosquitoes, or you can use that repellent creams like Odomas, then whatever cream it's available in the market, you can just apply the cream on your body so that the mosquitoes don't come and bite you while playing. Next, what you can use, while during inside the home, what all you can use coils, mosquito coils, or good night electrical devices like all out good night, like that we'll all use, like that. Next, bats, repellent bats, it called as repellent bats to hit the mosquitoes. Or when we sleep, we can use the net inside the bed, and we can go inside the net and be safe inside without the problem of mosquitoes. So these are the ways to prevent mosquitoes. Okay, in case if the mosquito, if you see nearby your house, if you see a mosquito breeding in the stagnant water, you just do one thing, you just pour a thin layer of kerosene near it, so then the mosquitoes don't breed. You don't breed and lay eggs. Okay, this you can use. Then like that we can, to protect ourselves from body, we can use this, what I told before, like bats, coils, then Odomas, whatever it is, coils, like that you can use. So these are the mosquitoes. Okay, next one thing I want to tell, see, there are some mosquitoes which prefer dark colors. They prefer only dark colors rather than light colors. Then it can fly. How the mosquitoes will fly? Mosquitoes will fly forwards, backwards, sideways, and upside down. However, it will fly. So this is the capacity of the mosquitoes to bite us. So how can you detect? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்குது? When we release the oxygen outside, what is the oxygen we breathe out? That is carbon dioxide. So it will smell that along 400 miles away, it can smell that. With that detecting of smell, it comes and bites us. So that is the way during the night time when we sleep, when we leave the gas outside, that is breathe out carbon dioxide, so they detect that gas and they'll come and bite us. So protect us, to protect from the mosquitoes, what all we should do, I told you earlier. Next one more, last one. It can lay eggs. So one female mosquito will lay 1,000 to 3,000 eggs during the whole lifetime. Okay, one female mosquito will, during their lifetime, it lays 1,000 to 3,000 eggs throughout its life. Okay, got it? Now again, see this lesson, I'll make you to given the homework, okay, assignment, just go through it and read that. If you have any doubts, again and again you can read, you can take the help of your parents and go through it. Okay, hope you all understand. Okay, meet in the next class. Bye.